What's up, online shoppers? My friends at BCAN Fitness gifted me this amazing 48-inch bungee trampoline for working out. So let's open it up and see what it can do. Now, the cool thing about the 48-inch one is that it has a max weight capacity of 550 pounds. So no matter what your size, this is the trampoline that you can use to help get back in shape and to make fitness more fun. Now, something else about this trampoline is that it is supposed to be very fast to assemble. Like, it comes out of the box 60% ready to go, which means you don't have to spend a lot of time struggling with instructions, trying to put things together, and you can get right to working out almost right away. It is heavy duty. There we go. Hopefully I don't drop anything on my toes. There we go. Here are all the tools and pieces that you need to put the trampoline together. Something else you should know is that this actually just folds up, which makes it easy to store it in a corner. Look how nice and easy that opens up. And then like this. Here are all of the bungees. These here are the two little safety pins that you are going to insert once you open up the surface of the trampoline. So we had to do a quick little location change while I open this up because I don't want to scratch my wooden floor. Now, this has hinges here. It's going to fold open. And then we have these two little clamps that are going to go through holes and secure the frame so that it locks open. Here we go. Just a little push, push, and down. That was easy enough. Now, inside of the frame, there are holes right here for the little pegs to go through. Nice and easy. Pop it in, snap it into place. Roll it around to the other side and do the same. Just like that. There's the full surface of the trampoline right there. Let's flip it around the back so you can see. The mat comes pre-strung with a few of the bungees already. So all you have to do is use the tool they provide and then use these hooks to connect the bungees to the frame. Let's go get that done. So this tool works really, really simply. All you have to do is hook one of the bungees through the hook here, and then you're just going to insert the hook like that and give it a little flip so that you can get it over. And voila, the bungee is installed. Really nice and easy. This is going to be a simple process. I'm impressed by how easy this is. Look at that. Fantastic. Now, if you wanted to speed up the process a little bit, you could probably go and put all the bungees on like this, and then just go all the way around and use your tool and just go hook, 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 and get it on. I'm going to do a few of them just like this to show you how fast it can go. The bungees have to start underneath the frame like that, and that. And now we'll just rock and roll here. Really easy, really easy. Except when you hook them underneath like that. Yes, if you just make sure that the bungees aren't laying on top of each other, it makes it really easy. Look at that. In just a matter of 2 minutes, I've got the bungees on, about 1/8 of the trampoline. I'm gonna go ahead and continue connecting all of the bungees. One of the things I'm impressed with when I'm getting a close-up look at the underside of this is all of the stitching. There's probably no less than 8 layers of stitches in here to connect the rebounder surface of the trampoline to the reinforcement strap that is connected to the bungees. This is really high quality production here. Okay, let's get the rest of these done. A little bit tricky there. How speedy this is in assembly. That does get a little bit more intense as you work your way around the circle. Of course, you could also circumvent that by not going in sequence like I am and doing some here, some there, some there, some there. But it's not too difficult even if you're doing it this way. This is probably the most difficult point because there's the most amount of pressure on it, but once I get to here, it'll actually, I think, be easier. You don't need to be overly strong to get the bungees around the frame. They even give you 2 extra bungees in the event that one of them breaks. There we go. Start to finish, we are done in probably about 5 minutes for full install of all the bungees. That's pretty reasonable. Now, as far as the rest of the installation goes, we have legs to install, and that's it. Now, I guess I was wrong in my guess. Open this up. These are the legs of the trampoline right here. Another cool thing about this trampoline is that they have put safety caps over top just to protect the threaded parts of the trampoline, because the legs are threaded and the peg that they screw into is threaded. All you have to do is go all the way around the surface of the trampoline and just tighten. These are the last 3 pegs right here, and this is also where you're going to attach the handlebar for the trampoline, which is a really cool, awesome feature. Now, the other thing I should point out is there's this really nice little elastic that helps to connect the outside bonnet of the trampoline surface to the frame. This is one of the pieces that is the stand for the trampoline, and the legs actually just slide through. That one is ready to connect there. This one is ready to be screwed on there. And I can put this center one on. Okay, just like that. Attach the next ones, I'm gonna stand them up because of course we will have some pieces here like this. I wanna scratch my floor. That's nice and secure, and one more to do. This is going together nice and easy. And there we go. Time to turn this over. Like this. Okay, there we go. There's the first part. Connect the rest of these straps. Now the last part that we have to connect is the handle. This. Now these are the 2 knobs that are going to secure the base of the trampoline to the bar. And these little triangle knobs are the ones that we are going to use to secure the bar all the way around. We also have a spot here and here to put the little triangle knobs to secure the base to the leg of the trampoline. So 2 on this side, nice and tight, and 2 on this side. Now here I am, and I've got the handle disassembled because I made a mistake, and I want to share it with you guys so that you don't make the same mistake I did. Now these bars only have holes on one side, and if you don't put them in the right way, then they don't line up with the holes here for the knobs here. So when you put these into the handle, make sure that you line up the side that has the holes with the side that has the holes. Otherwise, you will not be able to adjust the height of your handle. So that is gonna work there. And I'm, just to make sure the hole fits, I'm gonna put it in like this. There we go, there's one. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, there we go. There we go, now we're ready to attach the little knobs. There we go. Look at that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now we can just adjust this to the height that we desire. There, we're gonna go with that. And we will just tighten the screw, get the support for the handle in there. And do the same on the other side. Okay, super sturdy. So I now have the trampoline fully assembled and I am really impressed with it. It is super sturdy. It's got lots of bounce room and the construction of it is fantastic. All of the stainless steel pieces are powder coated so that they maintain a really nice shiny black appearance. There's a really nice memory foam handle here for when you're standing on it, and the bouncing surface is awesome. It's got really good bounce, and if you want the stability, you've got that too. There's lots of different moves you can do on it. It's good for up to 550 pounds, and they even have suggested exercises that you can do. Bouncing on a trampoline is a fun way to get your exercise, and this one here by BCAN is awesome. So if you are looking to get yourself a really nice little trampoline for your house to do workouts and have fun and dance around and maybe just see what you can do, you've got to check out this from BCAN. It's going to be a family favorite at my house.